Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Google Merchant Center feed in settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your Google Merchant Center feed in settings, start by logging into your Google Merchant Center account. Navigate to the Products section in the left-hand menu. Choose the Feeds option to view all existing product feeds. Select the feed you want to back up by clicking on its name. Once the feed details are open, look for the Download button at the top right corner. Click the Download button to save a copy of your product feed data in a suitable format, such as CSV or TXT. Next, return to the main dashboard and select Settings from the left side menu. In the Settings menu, review the various sections such as Business Information, Shipping, and Tax. Take screenshots or use a note-taking app to manually record important settings. For backup, you can create a text document detailing the configurations in each section. Make sure to include details on shipping settings, tax rates, and business information. Verify your backup by cross-referencing it against the current settings in your Merchant Center account. Once everything is backed up, store the downloaded files and notes securely. Consider using cloud storage for easy access and additional security. Regularly review and update your backup to ensure it reflects any changes made to your Merchant Center account. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your Google Merchant Center feed in settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.